Hi, welcome back to the Dewan Moore Show. Today is January 4th. How are you guys doing today? Today is another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing an item that I received, that I purchased from Wish. I didn't receive it. What I have is a touch speaker boombox, touch for instant amplification. Compatible with most phones. Recharges via USB. No cables, no pairing, just touch for instant application, as it says. As I said, I ordered this item from Wish. I'm very excited to open it. I ordered two. They were about 12 bucks a piece. These normally go for about $24 a piece in the store. And here we are unboxing. So you'll receive the speaker. Anything else in here? Some instructions, and a USB charging cord, which is really cool. So, anything else in the box? Nope, that's everything that comes in the touch speaker boombox. Instructions, as Tim the Tailor Toolman would say, we don't need no stinking instructions. So, let's see, does this have any juice? Power on. So it does come with some charge to it, which is great. I just so happen to have a piece ready to go. How are you guys doing, by the way? Let me know if you guys have ordered anything from Wish, and if you have, how did it turn out? This is a musical piece by moi. It's called Duplex Dubstep. And if you go check it out, leave a comment in the comment section on that video. Let me know that you heard about it from this video. And here we are, a demonstration of, well, let's try this. So it says just to place it on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can get a party going with that. I don't care what nobody says. So again, that's just me placing the phone down on the system, and we get a nice sound. Very good deal. Not too shabby. Now, I think it also takes a USB hookup, so if you just don't feel like setting it on top, you can always hook it up by USB. Oh. And it actually sounds a little better when you place it on top than with the USB, so that's pretty cool. So let's unplug that and put it back where it belongs. I'll see you guys next time. That was the touch. That was the touch speaker boombox. Thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing and demonstration. Again, that was Duplex Dubstep by moi, DJ Top Dewan. I'll see you guys next time on the Dewan Moore Show. Thank you for joining me. As usual, you guys could have been anywhere in the world, but here you are with me, and for that, I'm always truly thankful. I'll see you guys next time. Peace, love, and video games.